broccoli. This one's beautiful. And the smaller ones like satellites. Okay, that's my little nursery at home. Black kales and radish, they are germinating. And this is Japanese pumpkins, kabocha. And French beans are germinating right now. What else? Yeah, at the top left, this is cucumber germination. There's a sign. I hope they will grow okay. That's aubergines. And the melon tree, I think it's the same as cucumber melon, but not sure. This is the first time for me to grow these. And finally, wasabi. Not yet germinated, but here I saved from slugs and snails this little bit. I hope they will survive here, inside, indoors. Yeah, that's it.